The ultimate project goal: creating value. All projects are initiated to create value. Value is the worth, merit, or importance of something. It is subjective and will be perceived differently by different stakeholders. If we consider a vaccine research and development project targeting the prevention of an infection, the successful outcome of the project will create value for the society by eliminating the risk of infection. It will deliver value to the developing organization with the resulting financial contribution and increased brand recognition and reputation. As creating value is the driver of every project, it is the ultimate indicator of a project's success. In an ongoing project, if the desired project outcome no longer provides value for the organization, or if it is not possible to achieve it, the project would be terminated before project completion. Similarly, completing the project on time and on budget by meeting all the project requirements does not mean that the project is successful if it fails to provide value to its stakeholders. In a rapidly changing world, the direction and progress of a project needs to evolve based on changes in the project environment, market conditions, customer needs, and other factors. More importantly, projects need to evolve strategically in the right direction in order to deliver their intended value. For those reasons, being able to see the bigger picture and focusing on the realization of value, rather than focusing on delivering the project to specification, is crucial for a project's success. The value created by a project may be tangible, intangible, or both. Consider a green building project. It will create environmental benefits with its sustainable design, construction, and operations. It will provide business value to the developer with increased asset value. And it will provide both tangible and intangible value to the building occupants with higher levels of occupant satisfaction and lower building maintenance costs. The realization of the value delivered by the project varies from one project to another. For a vaccine research and development project, the value will be realized after the project is complete, as vaccinations commence. In other projects, the value will be realized throughout the project. As an example, consider a software development project in which the basic version of the software is released to customers early in the project to receive feedback and shape the product's future, and more advanced features are released throughout the progress of the project. Implementing value engineering is also essential to maximize the value of the project. Value engineering is a systematic, organized approach to providing essential functions in a project at the lowest cost without sacrificing the required performance. It is about discovering ways to create the same end result at a lower cost, or creating an even better end result without increasing the costs to maximize the project's value. Alternate design concepts, materials, and methods are assessed for meeting the project requirements in a more cost-efficient way. Value engineering enables early value realization by discovering more effective and efficient ways of doing something. It increases the speed of the project's progress and/or better manages the project's priorities without increasing costs. With that being said, let's take a look at the ultimate tips for exam success. On the exam, there may be a question regarding whether completing a project on time and on budget by meeting the project's quality requirements is more important than creating value or not. It is important to note that creating value is the driver of every project and is the ultimate indicator for every project's success. Projects need to evolve strategically based on changes in the project environment, market conditions, customer needs, and other factors in order to deliver their intended value, which is an important responsibility of the project manager. The realization of value delivered by the project will vary from one project to another. Some questions in the exam may ask you to choose the best option that would result in early value realization from the project. For such questions, focus on the answer choice that suggests releasing a basic version of the product first, with only the minimum viable features, and releasing the remaining features in the later stages. Don't confuse value engineering with cost cutting. Value engineering is about discovering ways to create the same end result, or better, at a lower cost, or creating an even better end result without increasing the costs to maximize the project's value. Cost cutting involves making scope, quality, and cost trade-offs.